You ever notice how some men walk into a room and instantly command attention without saying a word? That's not luck. That's psychology. And most men completely misunderstand it. Attraction isn't just about looks. If it were, every handsome guy would have an amazing dating life. But you've seen it yourself. Some men look average, yet women gravitate toward them naturally. Meanwhile, other guys do everything right, buy dinners, text back instantly, try hard to impress, and still get ignored. Why? Because women often fall for something long before they fall for a face. And once you understand what they actually notice first, your entire dating life changes. Not because you become fake, but because you finally stop focusing on the wrong things. Let me explain. Most men think attraction begins when a woman notices their appearance. But psychologically, attraction often begins with emotional perception. Before she decides whether she likes you, she subconsciously asks herself, "How do I feel around this man?" That question changes everything. Because women are constantly reading emotional cues, most men don't even realize they're giving off. Your posture, your pace, your eye contact, how comfortable you are in silence, whether you seem needy or grounded. And here's the part nobody tells men. Women are incredibly sensitive to emotional incongruence. Meaning, when your words and your energy don't match. You say you're confident, but constantly seek validation. You say you're relaxed, but over-text and over-explain. You act nice, but secretly fear rejection. She feels it, not logically, emotionally, and attraction lives in emotion. Think about the men who naturally attract people. Usually, they aren't trying the hardest. They're present, calm, certain. That certainty creates emotional safety and emotional tension at the same time. That combination is powerful because women are often drawn toward men who make them feel emotionally secure without feeling emotionally predictable. Read that again. A lot of guys become too available too fast because they think consistency alone creates attraction. But attraction also feeds on curiosity, mystery, purpose, a sense that your life has momentum outside of her. And that leads to one of the biggest psychological triggers in attraction, perceived value. Now, before you roll your eyes, I'm not talking about money or status alone. Perceived value is deeper than that. It's how you carry yourself. Do you look like a man who respects himself? Do you seem emotionally dependent on female approval? Do you have standards, direction, discipline? Because women pay attention to what a man tolerates. A man with boundaries communicates self-worth without saying a word. And ironically, many men lose attraction by trying too hard to avoid losing it. They become overly agreeable, overly available, overly eager to please. But psychologically, desperation lowers perceived value instantly. Not because women are cruel, but because confidence is emotionally contagious. If you don't believe in your own value, why should she? Now here's where things get really interesting. Women are often attracted to how a man makes decisions under pressure. Watch closely. A delayed flight, a rude waiter, an awkward social moment. Most men think attraction happens during the perfect moments, but women frequently notice you most during imperfect ones. Do you stay composed? Do you panic? Do you become reactive? Emotional stability is deeply attractive because it signals strength without aggression. And in modern dating, that quality is becoming rare. A lot of people are emotionally impulsive now. Quick dopamine, quick validation, quick reactions. So when a man remains grounded under pressure, it stands out immediately. Not loudly, quietly, and quiet confidence is often more attractive than loud charisma. Let's talk about something men rarely hear. Women notice how you make other people feel. Not just her, the way you speak to strangers, your friends, the bartender, your family. Because attraction isn't only about chemistry, it's about character. And character reveals itself in small moments. That's why some men can create instant attraction even before flirting heavily. Their energy feels authentic. There's no performance happening, no invisible audition, just presence. And presence is powerful because most people today are distracted, anxious, or trying to impress. A man who is genuinely present feels different immediately. But here's the twist most men miss completely. Women are not always attracted to perfection. In fact, perfection can feel emotionally distant. What often creates connection is emotional honesty, not emotional dumping. Not oversharing trauma on the first date, but honesty. Confidence mixed with self-awareness. The ability to laugh at yourself. The ability to admit mistakes without collapsing emotionally. That's maturity. And maturity creates trust. A lot of younger men think attraction is about becoming more dominant, colder, or emotionally unavailable. But emotionally unavailable men often create chaos, not connection. There's a difference between being centered and being detached. A strong man can express emotion without losing control of himself. That balance is rare, and rare things attract attention. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Looks do matter. Of course they do, but not always in the way social media tells you. Women often experience attraction holistically, meaning your appearance, behavior, voice, confidence, ambition, emotional energy, humor, and lifestyle all blend together psychologically. This is why a man can become more attractive over time, and also why some physically attractive men lose attraction quickly once their insecurity becomes obvious. Attraction is dynamic, not static. That should motivate you, not discourage you, because it means your habits matter, your mindset matters, your emotional intelligence matters. You are not stuck. Here's something fascinating. Many women remember how a man made them feel far longer than what he specifically said. Think about that. You could memorize pickup lines all day, but if your energy communicates anxiety, approval seeking, or emotional instability, she'll remember that instead. On the other hand, a grounded man with average looks but strong emotional presence can create lasting attraction because he creates a memorable emotional experience. That's psychology. And once you understand this, dating becomes less about performing and more about becoming. So what should men actually focus on? Simple. Build a life that naturally creates confidence. Take care of your body. Develop competence. Learn emotional control. Improve your communication. Pursue meaningful goals. Create standards. Stop chasing validation. Because the most attractive men are usually focused on purpose, not obsession over whether every woman likes them. Ironically, that's often what makes women notice them in the first place. And maybe the biggest truth of all is this: female attraction isn't about manipulating women. It's about becoming the kind of man who naturally inspires attraction through his presence, mindset, and behavior. That's a completely different game. And it's one that actually improves your entire life, not just your dating life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on modern relationships, dating psychology, masculine self-development, and attraction dynamics. And comment below, what do you think women notice first about a man? Confidence, emotional stability, ambition, or something else entirely? I'll see you in the next video.